My name's Gary Spall. By trade I'm a vessel planner down at Port Felixstowe, but currently at the moment I'm more involved in kind of system implementation and kind of the more technical aspect of my work. A typical day for me as a vessel planner will be receiving stowage information from the customer and from the vessel line, planning a box, sorting out how the cranes are going to work the vessel, both for the discharge aspect of it and the load aspect of it, and formulating a plan that works for both ourselves and the customer, obviously looking to achieve kind of maximum productivity. The system implementation side of things, we're getting a new terminal operating system down here, so I'm involved in creating the training effort for that, testing it, making sure that it's suitable to our needs. Yeah, to be honest, a lot of my family have always worked down the port, so I was always kind of aware of the opportunities that it provided. But originally, I was planning on going to university, ended up getting a kind of a year-long job down here in warehousing. Found that once I was down here, I really enjoyed working, I really enjoyed earning a salary, and decided to pursue my career down here. About a year and a half in, I got planning showed an interest in me, and I've been down here ever since, really. I think you've got to be thorough.
Yep.
I think that nowadays computer systems, they'll do all the math for you, etc. But you've got to, ultimately what you're producing as a plan in what I do at the moment, so you've got to make sure that it is kind of as watertight as possible. So the ability to kind of check your work, be self-critical, because a lot of people will kind of have a say on what they want you to do. But yeah, I think being thorough is probably the kind of the key skill. Yeah, I mean, I've kind of touched on before how I enjoy obviously earning a salary, but what I like about my when I'm planning is the fact that I come in with a blank canvas and I create a plan, and either by the end of that day or after a couple of days, my plan that I put in at the start, I get to see it through. So it's kind of, I get to see the kind of the outcome of what I'm doing. I'm not on a conveyor belt where I hand it over to someone and never see it. I actually get to see it through. And what I enjoy about my current kind of secondment position is the fact that I've always been interested in training and teaching. So it's been really nice for me to kind of see that aspect of it, like what a good training material looks like, what a good teacher does, how do different people learn, etc. So I'm kind of enjoying that challenge now. Yeah, I think that what a lot of people don't understand about the port is, I think a lot of people just see externally. I was the same, I'd lived around here all my life and I wasn't really aware of all the opportunities, but yeah, once you come down here, I've done a number of secondments, and they can be, a lot of them are IT focused because that's kind of my passion, if you like. But yeah, there's lots of different roles if you're prepared to show a little bit of willing that you can get yourself involved in.